don't know what's going on here, mate.
Brum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is the Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo. We are outside again. And yes, family, today it's gonna be riding around kind of like the Ladywood side of town. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Oh, that's a crescent. Oh. Like, share, comment, subscribe, family. And let's do it. I don't think you can come out there. Can you? Oh. You know what, let me turn around. It's nice around there still. I'm telling you, living around there must be a headache, man. Because obviously Broad Street is not far in it, it's just over there, so. But yeah, man. All of the ravers, the noise, parking. I know a few people that live down these ways, and yeah, when I used to be a mobile barber, mate, you know, the parking settings was crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's go left up here. So like Ladywood, I believe like there's two sides in it. So where that Tesco is there, I actually was born around there. You get me? Dorset Tower. That's where I lived when I was a little boy. Up until the age of about 4-ish, 4 or 5, something like that. Oh actually, no, we're gonna go around there. Forget. So all this up here, I think we class as Ladywood. I'm trying to think if down there by that Tesco is Windsor Green or Ladywood. Let me know in the comments, fam. I'm normally saying that the whole of it's Ladywood. Well, I don't know. That road or a close? Oh, that's just a close. All these little cranked off shops, you know. But again, say like for example, if you was if you live around there, or you got people you know that live around here, yeah, I'm sure parking's crazy. We're on Broad, up by Broad Street already. Oh, these roads are rough. Yo, for some reason this seat feels super uncomfortable, man. For the past couple of days. I don't know why, you know. It's never felt like that before. What he's doing over there. I don't know what's going on here, mate. These nasty roads, you know. Aye. Outside the man, them just chilling. So yeah, family, if you ain't been down here for years, what do you think of the changes, man? Ladywood / Wilson Greenside. Right here where this Tesco is, there used to be a tower block called Dorset Tower, and that's where, when I was a little baby, that's where I was. Right here, this looks completely different, man. What do you call this, guys? Ladywood or Winston Green? Let me know. Okay, family, so anyway, that's enough of that. I hope you enjoyed the little tour around Ladywood / Winston Green. If you're new to the channel, family, don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe. Oops, shoot. We out.